This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, stove-top burner, smoke detector, DVD player, microwave, external shower, water heater, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 323 BHDSCK is 7,864 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.